Calcutta is one of our favorite places to come to. This city is possibly gives us, contrary to what newspapers talk about, a huge amount of energy comes out of Calcutta all the time. I don't know whether that is because of our team, because of our distribution partners, because of the environment, but every time we get out, come in, when I have a philosophy, I have a saying in Bombay that when you're feeling a little down, speak to Sanjeev Dayal or speak to somebody in Calcutta for about 5 minutes and you'll feel much better after that. A lot of things that we do mention in our brochure literature, actually you guys have been able to deliver. I mean, if you see, especially the segments that are covered by the retail segment, which is the less than 1 lakh, less than 5 lakhs, at about 85% of your advice has earned a profit for the investor. That's a huge plus statement for this entire room in this city. It's a huge plus. Given whatever constraints, whatever knowledge issues are there, you yet have managed to deliver a profit to the investor, which is a very big thing. I think most investors today who are getting some sort of financial advice, whether it's good, bad, whether it even means getting a pamphlet, getting a phone call, should, in my opinion, be absolutely blessed. Last month, just to share some confidential data, East did more numbers in terms of equity purchases as compared to the South. Now, demographically, you might argue with me that that is looking a little funny because the South is obviously at this point of time more prosperous, you have more IT companies, you have more service related companies. How is that happening? I think it is largely the function that our East branch penetration is possibly the highest in the country today. I think if you see today, some salesman to advisor, again, is some basic differential. I think basically if you see, the financial planner today is going out filling a questionnaire. Today I'm pretty clear that over the next 3 to 6 months, you will start seeing documentation requirements from SEBI. In terms of when you go to meet a client, did you fill up a client profiling form? At some stage, we feel that SEBI will ask you to start maintaining those records. And today, the IFA space is not doing that. I think you have to get that in. We have to set up a practice, earn fees. I think SIPs obviously, more mutual funds have got a lot of add-on facilities which I think we need to communicate to our customers. Small things like we've introduced is liquidity, which is basically you transfer your daily dividend into equity. Great way to bring new customers into without making people who have a problem on capital loss. We like the idea of child care plans. We like the idea of tax plans. These are old, isolated funds which can be captured. And of course, I think this year is the year of debt. Last year already has done that. We have to get the right mix of equity and debt.
Thank you very much to MFRT for inviting us today to present over here. It's loaded, okay. And it's always a pleasure to come to the City of Joy. So if you look at even a company like Tata's,